What? Is there peanut butter on your nose? Is there peanut butter on your nose?
Want some more?
Knock it off.
That's enough now.
Is there peanut butter on your nose, baby? Is there?
Yummy.
Yummy in my tummy.
That has to be delicious.
This is the third video of you when the vacuum's running. Hey, at least this time you're not attacking it. You want to attack the vacuum while you're at it? Do you? Are you just
Too busy eating peanut butter.
Yeah. Why did I almost call you the LPS? LPS Country Boys with the... Wait. Yeah, this is her channel. I'm here. Sarah June 9. Hi. Yeah, Sam's here.
Actually,
Come
on
to
my
Salmon.
channel, you're gonna be the
Yeah, I'm the guest star.
visitor, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the guest star this time. She's at my house. Yes, this is my Yes, this is my dog. She's at my house.
No, it's the table's dog. Of course it's your dog.
It's Casper's dog.
Shut up, Jake.
Yeah.
Stop it. I want to see her lick it off her nose again.
Look at
Oh,
the
yeah.
nose again. Oh yeah, lick it.
What should we call this video? Peanut butter time?
Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. Peanut butter time.
Okay, I think we should end this video now. Say bye.
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 Goodbye, bye.
My finger was in the way. Bye.